I'm going to show you how to delete browsing history, cookies, cache, and other browsing data in Google Chrome. This is useful for improving privacy, fixing website problems, removing stored website data, and freeing up browser storage. To begin, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Delete Browsing Data. In newer versions of Chrome, this Delete Browser History option opens from Setting and then the Privacy and Security section and may appear as Delete Browsing Data instead of the older Clear Browsing Data wording. You can also open this menu instantly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. Once the window opens, you'll see a time range selector. You can choose to delete browsing data from the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Keep in mind that this action can log you out of different websites, clear your shopping carts, reset your website preferences, delete your autofill form data, etc. If you want to completely remove everything stored in Chrome, choose All Time. Below that, Chrome lets you select exactly what you want to delete. Browsing history removes records of websites you visited and clears them from the browser history page. Cookies and site data sign you out of websites and remove stored site information used for logins and preferences. Cached images and files remove temporary website data stored by Chrome to speed up loading times. Clearing cache can also fix broken pages, outdated content, or loading issues. After selecting the data you want to remove, click Delete Data. Chrome will begin removing the selected browsing information. Depending on how much data is stored, this may take a few seconds to complete. If Chrome Sync is enabled and you're signed into your Google account, some deleted browsing data may also be removed across your synced devices. There's also a useful privacy tip. Deleting Chrome browsing history only removes data stored in the browser itself. Your Google account activity and Google search history can still exist separately inside your Google account activity settings. Overall, deleting browsing data in Google Chrome is one of the fastest ways to improve privacy, troubleshoot website issues, and keep the browser running smoothly.